this is cookies. I'm going to now reassemble this gutted 1106, starting with the core, which is an unmodified American lock core, 6 capable, 5 actually pinned. This is what I'm going to be loading up. Bit of a strange setup. There's only one spool in this, which is in slot 2, but that's what we've got, so that's what I'm going to reinstall. And just so people know, my vision is very poor, so this will take me a long time, particularly when it comes to doing the Bible. It takes a long time for me. I always put the pins in with the key, so that I know quite quickly if I've got any in the wrong position. So, 1, looks correct. 2, correct. 'These pins are tiny. 3, looks okay. 4 and 5. If this focuses. Doesn't look like it will. Nope, that's all we got. Anyway, core turns okay. Just so we know, this key is a 16274. 16274 are the pins here. I don't think you're going to get to see that either, but there it is, 16274. Yep. Now for the bit I hate. Establish which is the front, which is that. So I'm going to load these with 4 and 5 from the back, and then load 1, 2 and 3 from the front. My eyesight being as bad as it is, this is about the only way I found I can do this. So if this takes me a while, I'm sorry. That's what happens when you're old and your vision is crap. That is 4. Spring for 5. Yep, 5 is in. And that's also serrated. Four and 5 are in. You'd think 1, 2 and 3 would be the easiest, but combination of my vision and this lock, that's not really how it's turning out. So 3. Serrated, so spring, serrated driver. Try that again. Yep, that's got it. 2, the only spool. And finally 1, another serrated. That is the Bible loaded up. You probably couldn't see that very well, but That's the best I can do, I'm afraid. Double check when we have it the right way around, which we do. Going to put a shim in again. Technically not really needed, but I would rather shim it and not need it than need it and not shim it. Fairly tight, this. Come on. Right, there we go. So that has a shim. Let's work out what we're doing with the key. Cool. Load it without the key, just because it's a bit easier to manipulate. The key pins are facing me. Turn it a bit more. Shim is still good. Yeah. Nope. Try that again. And lock it up. Have you heard that? Clip on. That's now clipped. Let's test it. Key goes in, key goes out. That's okay so far. That seems to rotate correctly. It's a view of the actuator and the clip. So this is now good to load into the lock. There was no bypass wafer in this, so I will put it back the way it was. There we go. Should put our plate on and I'll just dry run test it for now. So first of all, does that gear still operate it? Yes, it does, if you can see that. And let's put the screw in. I seem to have trouble with these. They often seem to cross thread. There we are. So now in, if you can see that, looks steady, looks stable. One more test. Still turns. Moment of truth. Locks okay. It's locked. Key. Opens. There we are. That is second part, two-part videos, gutting and reassembly of an American lock. I think it's an 1106. My name is Cookies. Thank you for watching.